Alright guys, today we're going to be showing you how to put together the AMPP mask. And when you receive it in the mail, the first thing that you need to do is to clean it. And cleaning instructions are provided. The next thing you need to do is to fit test. You need to make it so that it's secure for your face. This product is meant for you. It is not meant to be shared. So the strap itself has multiple holes that you'll use to determine, based on your face, how close and how tight you need this to fit. Determine what is the best fit for you.
It actually fits pretty well. If I wanted it super tight, I could make it more tight.
Great. Now we'll take scissors and we will cut the ends of your strap
Without my face.
without cutting your face. Again, this is fit tested for you. This product is not designed to be used by everyone. It's meant to be fitted to you and only you. You're not meant to share it with other individuals. The filtration device itself is a PTFE material, and it's very thin in nature. What you'll notice that there's a glossy, kind of a sticky side, and then there is a non-glossy side. The glossy side is going to be facing outward. That is the PTFE membrane. So, I'm going to borrow yours right here. So this is the current method for applying the filtration. So the sticky side and the shiny side is facing outward. I'm going to place it below and above those guides, and then we're going to start from the bottom and push downward. Find the guide holes on the top and bottom and pull this tab forward and push this downward. This is not going to come undone. So it can hang from your neck. And you'll notice that there's excess material that's hanging on the sides. So you know that you have it properly centered. So next is to put it on your face, and that's it. We do recommend that you wash prior to your first use, and you wash on a daily basis at the end of utilizing this mask, and that you switch out the filtration medium at a minimum once per day. That's all we can recommend at this point. You'll have instruction guides as well as OSHA guidelines for cleaning, what solvents to use, what temperature settings, but the material is very similar to that of Tupperware. I myself have put it into our dishwasher with the appropriate soap that was recommended by OSHA guidelines, and that's what we're recommending to you. So I got everyone was able to...
This is easier to breathe than the N95.
Way easier. Really nice.